exact strategy that we use to generate $5,000 a week with our Shopify dropshipping business without using any paid ads like TikTok ads, YouTube ads, Google ads. And we have found this one organic trick right now that's working like an absolute boss. Hey guys, welcome to the YouTube channel. My name is Mohsin and is the ECOM King. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you a strategy that we're currently using that's generating us around about $5,000 a week without having to run any paid ads like Facebook ads, TikTok ads. And this is being done all organically on TikTok. So what I'm going to be doing in today's video is I'm going to be showing you exactly what the strategy is and how it works. I'm going to be showing you how you can recreate this strategy in your own Shopify dropshipping business step by step. And I'm also going to be showing you other dropshippers that are using this strategy to actually crush it with their sales. Now, I've also created a free Google Doc sheet with all these step-by-step processes that you need to follow to be able to follow this strategy to an absolute T. Now, I'm feeling very generous on today's video, so all we need to do to get that free Google Doc sheet is hit 2,000 likes, and I'll leave it in the pinned comment and in the description. Now, if you want early access to all of these free Google Doc sheets and Google Slides and all these other things that I announce on my YouTube videos, make sure you become a part of the ECOM King VIP family member to make sure you get early access to everything that I announce. Now, there will be a join button somewhere below next to the subscribe button so you can find all the information out. And you can find out all the information about becoming an ECOM King family member and a VIP member because there's loads of benefits of doing so. Now, before we actually get into the juicy part of this video, I do want to quickly say that because this is organic traffic and it's not paid traffic, you're going to have to exchange a lot of time and effort to make this strategy work. Now, when you run paid ads like Facebook ads, Google ads, you're leveraging your money to make it work for you. But with organic strategies, you're going to have to leverage your own time and efforts to make this work. So if you're somebody that's not going to be actively putting these strategies to work every single day, day in, day out for around about 1 to 2 hours, then this strategy just isn't going to work for you. And the reason why you want this strategy to work for you is because you're not going to have to spend any money on advertisements and you're going to be making loads of money organically, and the profit margins are going to be a lot higher because you're not having to spend any money on paid ads. So as long as you're very committed to this strategy and you put the work in, day out, then this strategy can really reward you very well. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to show you a Shopify dashboard that's using this exact strategy so you can see that this strategy actually works. And as you guys can see, today we've achieved just over $600 with this strategy, and I'm going to change this to month to day. And do bear in mind that we're scaling the strategy and we are automating the strategy as well to make it less time consuming. And as you guys can see, we've done $16,000 with this strategy. I'm going to refresh the page so you can see this is completely real. And as you guys can see, I've just refreshed the page and the numbers have stayed the exact same. So for the main event, what is the strategy and how does it work? So with this strategy, what you're going to do is you're going to make UGC videos, which stands for user generated content, and you're going to be uploading it onto TikTok, and you're going to try and go viral with the UGC videos that you're uploading to the TikTok account that's related to the product that you're looking to sell. Now, the reason why we use TikTok for this strategy and no other platform is because I find with TikTok, you can go viral very easily with organic content, and with any other social media platform, you just can't go viral organically anymore. And that's why TikTok is such a hotspot right now for organic dropshippers, because all it takes is one organic video to go semi-viral or viral, and that's going to get you around about $10,000. And let's say you have to upload around about 20 videos to make that happen. Now, I know there's going to be a lot of people watching this video thinking that it's purely down to pot luck to go viral on TikTok with the dropshipping product organically, but let me tell you something right now. There is a strategic plan to be making this work day in, day out, or if there wasn't, then we wouldn't be going viral multiple times in the month with our dropshipping product. But don't get it twisted. There's always a little bit of luck in anything that you do in life, and the more times you do something, the more luckier you tend to get. Now, I know this is going to be the part of the video that you guys are most excited about, which is how to perform this exact strategy. So this is the free Google Doc sheet that I was mentioning at the start of the video, and once we hit 2,000 likes, I will be putting it in the pinned comment and the description below. So what you need to do is you need to find winning viral products on TikTok by searching for things like Amazon finds, beauty products, home finds, tech under 50, things like that, and try and find a video with 1 million views and try and find the product on AliExpress. Make sure the product is high quality and has 4.5-star reviews. Then search for the product on TikTok and sort it by top, and then study the most viewed videos to see what's made them successful. Now you can order the product from Amazon and start making TikTok videos, or buy the product and send it to a freelancer who will make the videos for you. Make sure that you have 10 videos per product. The more the better, or you can make one video and make 10 different edits. So now let me show you exactly how to do what I just said for those that don't understand what I'm talking about. So as you guys can see here, I'm on TikTok and I've searched search for home finds. Now, once you search for home finds or whatever you're searching for, always sort it by top. And then what you want to do is you want to scroll down and look at the view count. So you can see here like a play button and the amount of views. Now, you want to be looking for videos that have got more than 1 million views. So you can see this one's only got 500,000. You can see this one's got 1.1 million. You can see this one's got 90 million. So I'm going to keep scrolling down till I see something where I think, you know what, I quite like the look of that video, and I can see that product being on AliExpress. So I've just found a video right here that meets my credentials. It's got 3.9 million views, and this product is designed to protect your fingers whilst you're slicing, grinding, or cutting any vegetables, any types of meat, or any types of fruit. Now, the next thing that you need to do once you find a video is go to AliExpress and try and search for a phrase that could potentially bring up that product. So you can see I've typed in finger guard for cutting, and it's brought up this product right here that's got 4,619 orders, and it's not the exact same product that I was watching just a minute ago, but it's very similar to what it does, and it's technically the same thing but just a different design. And you can see it's got a really good amount of orders, and it's got a high quality star review, meaning that it's a good quality product. Now, once you found the product on AliExpress or something very similar to the product that you found in the video, the next thing you want to do is you want to head back over to TikTok and search for the actual product name this time, or something around the product. So I've literally typed in the same thing again, finger guard for cutting. Now it's going to be bringing up all the videos related to this product, because before what we were doing, we were trying to find a product to start with, but now we found one and we can verify that it's on AliExpress and it's a good quality product. Now we're trying to find loads of videos about it to see what made their videos successful in the past. So you can see here, this is the exact product that they're showing right here that we found on AliExpress. It's got 800,000 views. This one's got 4 million views. There's loads of other videos down here with like 500,000, 300,000. So what you want to do is you want to try and find other videos related to the same product that have got loads and loads of views. And the minimum that I'd look for is between 100,000 and 1 million views when you come to this part of the actual strategy. Now, something else that I like to do, and this is like a bonus feature to the strategy, is you want to try and find a page that's uploading consistent videos about the product. And you can see this page here, it's called SkyOQ, I think that's how I'm pronouncing it. And you can see they've got a video here with 4 million views. They've got another video here with 600,000 views. They've got another video here with 500,000 views and another video here with 100,000 views. So they must be a page that's consistently making videos about this product because they're selling it on their website. As you guys can see, I'm on the page of that TikTok account, and you can see all the videos related to their account are purely based on that one product. And you can see they've got loads of different viral videos. And you can also see there's a link in their bio to their website where you can buy the product. Now, something that I want to make very clear to you guys is you can see they've only got 2,000 followers, yet they've been able to achieve millions of views, 500,000 views. So your followers really don't matter on TikTok. If you make a good video, it will go viral organically as long as people can relate to it. Now, what you want to do is you want to study the most viewed videos on their page to see what's making their videos so successful, because there's a few ingredients that must contribute to making these videos so successful. So this is their most viewed video, and you can see it's only 7 seconds long, and it starts off by showing the woman cutting a cucumber without the guard. And you can see here it plays the video and it shows you that you could potentially cut your fingers, and now they're showing it with the guard protector to stop you from cutting your fingers. So it's literally a short video showing the safety feature. Their second most successful video is the same concept again. It's showing you cutting a vegetable, but this time they're using a cone instead of a knife, and they're showing you the blade again, and they're demonstrating that the comb could be the knife, and they're showing you the results if using it. Once you found a product that you're happy with and you're confident with, and you're understanding what's making these videos so successful organically on TikTok, and you've worked out the formula, the next thing that you want to do is you want to order the product from Amazon Most Preferred, because that's the quickest way of getting it to yourself or to somebody that can create the content. And what you want to do, and this is the most preferred way and the cheapest way of doing it, you want to send the product to yourself, and you want to make the UGC video yourself, which stands for user generated content. You want to make the videos yourself because number one, it's going to be quicker. Number two, it's going to be cheaper. And number three, it's a skill to learn. When it comes to making these videos yourself for TikTok, they're actually really easy. The hard part to this is actually editing the video, putting sound effects, putting transitions, putting things like subtitles. That's even harder than actually making the video itself. But even then, that's even easier as well, because the TikTok editor makes this really, really easy for you. So I would advise you guys to try and do this part yourself. Now, worst comes worst, and you really can't do this part yourself because you just don't feel like doing it, or you're just really shy of doing it, then you can go onto Fiverr and type in UGC 3D video TikTok, and you can hire people to do this for you, where you send them the product, they will do it for you. And what you can do is you can send them other videos related to the product that have been successful before, and they can do something similar to that. So I will leave a few links in the description below to some gigs that you could use to actually make this work. But do bear in mind, this will increase the cost because you're going to have to hire somebody to do it for you. And when I talk about how many videos you need, you're going to be needing around about 10 videos per product to make this work at minimum. So if you work out the cost, you're looking at stepping into hundreds of dollars if you're looking to outsource the work. So this is why I'd recommend you do it yourself. So what contributes to making your video go viral organically on TikTok? Now, from our experience in the past, we found that the sound effects are the most important part of the edit after you've recorded. And I'm going to be showing you a little trick here with the music that you can use to help boost your video without actually using any music. Now, voiceovers can sometimes be really important. Speed cuts basically means transitioning from one thing to another, like one scene to another scene. It needs to be really quick. Dramatic outcomes are really important as well when it comes to going organic, because like I've shown you before with the vegetable slicer, the woman in the video was showing you if you didn't have it, what could potentially be cut off when it comes to your fingers, because they drew on the finger potentially what could have been chopped off. And that's also relatable. When content is relatable, people are more likely to engage with it. And the last thing is shareable. You want to make sure when it's organic, how much could it be shared? You want people to be liking it, commenting on it, sharing the link to their friends on iMessage, WhatsApp. This is extremely important. How do you manage your TikTok account when using this strategy for the best chance of success? So the first thing that you want to do is you want to create a link tree for the different niches of products on your page for CTR, which is click-through rate. Now with TikTok, you can only put one link in your bio. So if you've got one general store, then you can only put one link to that general store. So if you've got loads of different products on your TikTok account showing off viral content, and you've got 8 different products on there that have gone viral, then they can only click the link in the bio. And if it just takes them to your website and there's loads of different products, people are going to get lost. You're not going to make sales. So if you create a link tree, and a link tree is basically where you can put multiple links under one link, then people are able to find your products a lot easier if you've got a general TikTok account and a general store. What I personally recommend is a one product store and a one product TikTok account, which I'll be showing you an example in a minute. Now the next thing you want to do is you want to make your profile picture your logo from your store. Bio, I'm going to be showing you an example of that in a minute. Now you have your 10 videos, post them to your TikTok account. When posting them, make sure you use hashtags that are trending or popular in your niche your product is in. Use 5 hashtags. Now when you hashtag in your niche on TikTok, it will tell you the ones that are trending. So when you put a hashtag, it will tell you a recommendation of the ones that are currently doing really, really well. Make sure you use the sound effects in the TikTok app and the music for your videos to make sure that you use trending sounds, and I'll be showing you that in a minute. So if we go back to TikTok, I'm going to be showing you another page that I found, and you can see this one right here. It's got 11,000 followers, 98,000 likes, and you can see they've got a link to their product in the bio, and you can see homepage of the original Neblu Orb for 65% off. And you can see this account is just creating loads of different content, UGC content for this one product, and the product they're making is this one right here. This is the exact product from AliExpress, and you can see it's the same one right here. It's got 3,400 orders. It's got some really good reviews. So this is the exact same product, and you can see they've made a one product TikTok account purely just talking about this one product, and you can see that he's got 3 million views, 2 million views, 500,000 views, and then you can see in the bio the link will take you straight to the website, and you can see here it's gone viral. You can see they mentioned about it going viral currently on TikTok. So what you want to do is I might want to basically study and understand what have made these videos successful in the past. So this is the most viewed video on this product, so I want to learn what's made this so successful. So straight away he's in his bedroom, he's tagged his own page Nebula, so if it goes viral and people share it, people can click the direct link and no one can copy this, and people can find the original page. So you can see it's currently 19 seconds long. He's in bed with the little flying ball, and you can see he's throwing it and it's coming back to him. So it's got a dramatic outcome. It's really relatable because you can see he's in bed because he's broken his foot, and you can be in bed for multiple reasons. You could be ill, you could be sick, and he's showing you that you can be really happy from bed and have fun with this ball that floats back to you. You can see how it comes back to him, and it's got a dramatic effect, and you can see it's UGC style video format. So what I might want to do now is I might want to go to another video and just study which ones are making these so successful, and that is the key to the strategy. Understanding what's done well in the past and how you can recreate it. Now, when I was talking about sound effects and music and things like that, when you upload your basic video that you've recorded UGC style from yourself or from the freelancer, when you upload it to the TikTok platform, they will give you an editing process where you can add music, add sound effects. Now, if you click the music section, and I'll put an example right here, you can actually use trending music. Now, I'd recommend that you use the trending music, but you mute it. So this is a trick that people use. Now, if your video doesn't need music, but I'd recommend adding the music that's trending, but mute it, because if you add trending music to your video, but mute it, one, they can't hear you, but it's still showing that you've added trending music to your video, and it's more likely to get pushed up through the algorithm. The same thing with this sound effect. So that's a really good trick that people are starting to use. So you've really got to learn how to structure and master the editing process of your video based on what's been successful in the past from other people. So for example, you might need no subtitles for your video. You might not need any voiceovers to your video. You might only need music and sound effects, or you might only need sound effects and titles. So you've really got to master what's worked well with other people and work on that basis. Now, the key to success with this strategy is the more you upload content, UGC content about the product that you're promoting, the more likely you are to go viral. Don't expect to go viral straight away. If you make 10 videos and still don't go viral, don't get upset. I'm going to show you an example right here of the page with the Orbital ball. You can see his first video had 3,000 views. Now, do bear in mind, he could have a lot more uploads than this. He could have just deleted some of the old videos. His second video got 12,000 views. His third had 8,000. His fourth had 7,000. His fifth had 55,000, so it started to go up. Then his next one got 74,000, went up. Then it went all the way back down to 800, 900, then 72, then 71. He didn't really get his first super viral video till here and here. So you guys can see that you've really just got to be consistent and persistent with your uploads if you're doing this strategy. So how do you scale this strategy if you really want to take it to the next level? What you want to do is you want to use this strategy and test 5 to 20 products a month. You might only have enough time to just do 1 a month because you have to upload so much content. You might only have enough time to do 2, but if you want to scale it, then you want to be trying to do as many as you can to increase the chance of finding a winning product that could go viral. Now, to streamline this process, you might want to start hiring people to make the content for you and to edit it. Now, when you start off, again, you want to be trying to do it yourself, preferably, but when you scale, you might want to start to outsource this work so you can focus on finding the products. So that was our exact strategy on how we're achieving $5,000 with our Shopify dropshipping stores without any paid ads using this organic TikTok trick. Let me know what you guys thought of today's video in the comment section below. Make sure you hit that like button so we can get that free Google Doc sheet, and I'll catch you guys on the next video.